Hello beautiful Snoopers. I posted these very pictures on Instagram and Facebook the other day. It had positive reviews, so I thought I should share the recipe with you. I will put the measurements in the description. It's very quick and simple with very few ingredients. To a large bowl, add your peeled banana and mash it with a fork to a smooth paste. Now add your eggs. Add your brown sugar. Add your oil. Mix thoroughly with a hand mixer. Add your baking powder. Follow with the mixed spices. Sift your self-raising flour into the mixture. Mix again with your handheld mixer. To your prepared tins, meaning battered tins, add your mixture. To achieve a good height on your loaf, fill the tin to a 3/4 depth. These tins were half filled by choice. Now bake in a preheated oven. Once your cake is ready, take it out of the oven and leave it out for about 5 minutes before turning it over onto a cooling rack to cool further. Your delicious cake is now ready to enjoy. Do comment down below, let me know how you like your banana cake. Do people eat banana cake with marmalade or jam or something? I just like it plain, just as it is. Thanks for stopping by, and do check out our other videos, and consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Thank you. Bye.